It might be raw metal and it cut his hand, bud. So be careful, dude. Okay. All right, so we got a visitor all the way from Durant, Oklahoma. His name's Dustin. He brought his awesome son out here named Caden. We're going to go over there and meet him in a minute. And Sammy Salami called me on the phone and said, if you got visitors there, you need to give them a Sammy Salami hat. So that's exactly what my friend Pete did.
Well, my God, son of a bitch, what the hell's going on? I'm sorry, I wasn't supposed to say that on camera. Sammy Salami straight out of Miami. I got my beautiful hat. I got that hat right here. It's a beautiful hat. I love my beautiful hat because my beautiful hat says beautiful on it. And it says, I don't have issues today. I don't want issues because I'm Sammy Salami straight out of Miami, you sons of a biscuits. That's right, I said biscuits. I didn't say the word I usually say because we got baby childs on this little video right here. And we don't want to say the wrong words to make the baby child upset. Let's just go ahead and say that. My friend Pete called me. He said, Sammy Salami in Miami. I was in Miami. I went out to Miami, had a beautiful time in Miami. Much beautiful, more and delicious than this rat hole, dust bowl of a place we call Moab, Utah, you sons of biscuits. I said biscuits, I didn't say it, I said biscuits. What we got going today, people, is we had some beautiful visitors, and Sammy Salami decided to give the beautiful visitors a hat. That's right. This hat, not this hat. This is my hat. You're not getting that hat. But I did get some hats to some people, and what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and continue the video. And as you look right there, you can see I'm editizing that video and making it look beautiful, just like Sammy Salami, the edit guy, does to make all these SWRC DIY out-of-school videos look the best possible way that they can do. So let me get back to the editizing. Let me do what I gotta do, you son of a biscuit. I didn't say it, I said biscuit. And let's get on with this video that we're making about visitors that came all the way out in this dust bowl, this hell-raising place, blazing place. It's a blazer. It's a scorcher, people. It's dust. It's what it is, you son of a biscuits. Right there, Sammy Salami, straight out of Miami. And we're having a heck of a time out here. Let's get on with this video. Where's my cigar? There it is right there. We got to get that cigar and hold on to it tight because my friend Pete's not giving me a snitch malt liquor. He's not giving me McDonald's hamburgers, so all I'm stuck with is this cigar and my beautiful hat. We're getting back to the video right now.
All right, come on over here, Dustin. We got a backlight. Stand over here next to your son. Hang on, Kate. Keep practicing. Keep practicing. There you go, dude. Hold on tight. So where are you from, buddy? What's going on, Dustin?
Durant, Oklahoma. Family
I see you're wearing my shirt.
Yes.
Big supporter. I don't even own one of those shirts. Look what I had to resort to, bud. I had to resort to just regular blacks because I can't. Do you see? Hold on.
Yeah.
We're blurred out. Hang on. There we go, Dustin. Okay. So you guys came out here. How you doing, buddy?
Good.
You doing all right? You got your Sammy Salami hat on. What do you think of that hat?
Good.
Now show everybody your hat. Lean down. There you go. Sammy Salami said you look beautiful in that hat. It's a beautiful hat for a beautiful kid. What do you think of that?
Good.
Okay, so we got Dustin over here and we got Caden. Here's Minnie the Body Shop Girl. You want to go ahead and film this?
Sure.
We got Caden over here. Did you ever meet Caden? All right, well, come on over. Okay. Come on over and meet Caden. Look at this guy.
Hey,
And
love
he wants to go on a Baja ride. He said, my friend Pete, could you take me a ride in that Hot Rod Hot Wheels Baja?
There you go.
Do you think I ought to?
I think you ought to.
I think we ought to. What do you think?
Good.
He's practicing, look.
Yeah.
He's practicing. And look what Sammy Salami called me and said, you need to give these guys a Sammy Salami hat. So, I mean, I didn't want to, okay? You know what I'm saying? But Sammy said give it to him.
Sammy said.
Sammy said, if you don't give him a hat, I'm not coming back. So we got Dustin with us. We got Caden. How you doing? You practicing?
Yes.
Okay, you got your seatbelt on. And we're going to go for a baja ride. So can you catch us going out and coming back?
All right, I can.
Okay, and then he's got our phones. Yes, sir. Let me give those to you. And then if you can do me a favor, you're going to film with your camera, so you want to go out on the road out there. And then we're going to give Caden a ride in the baddest baja in Moab, Utah.
All right.
How's that sound, Dustin?
Sounds great, sir.
You ready, partner?
Yes.
Okay, hold on tight. Are you practicing?
Yeah.
Come on over here. Get a picture of this kid. Look at him.
I got it.
Come over here, right here. You're holding on?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Hold on tight, dude. Here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Do you want to beep the horn for me?
Not so loud.
Well, you can beep it. Let everybody know we're here. Push that button in when I tell you. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Go ahead, push that. One more time. You ready? You hold on. Come on over here, son. You ready? Look, right there. Wait. We hit some hills. It's better than, he said it's better than a roller coaster ride. Am I right?
Yes.
Tell him.
Yes.
Okay, let's get inside. This thing's running up. Come on out here.
Is
Come
it
on.
hot in there with no interior?
Come
I
on.
bet it's hot, huh?
Come on out. There you go. Crawl out this way. Come on over here, buddy. All right. So, come on over here. Here, sit right here on this tire here, bud. That's just the right size for you. So we took Cadence out too. He said, my friend Pete, I don't want to drive on the pavement. I want to do some real 4x4 action. Am I right?
Yes.
That's what he told me. He said, take me out. We're in Moab. I want to go four-wheeling.
There you go.
And I said, but your dad might get mad at me. He said, I don't care. I want to go 4x4 it. I took him over to the racetrack. Am I right?
Yes.
How many hills did we hit?
5.
We hit 5?
Yeah.
He's right. We hit 5. And let me tell you, we were going fast. We were flying over. Were we flying?
Yeah.
That's
I
right.
hope you didn't get airborne.
We were flying, weren't we, buddy?
Yes.
Shake your hand. Hold on. Shake your hand. Make a friend. There you go. Okay, this is my buddy Caden. Come on over here, Dustin. And this is our buddy Dustin all the way from Durant, Oklahoma. and I'm glad they came out here to see my friend Pete and Minnie at the body shop. Did you have fun today?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
This probably made your whole trip, didn't it?
Yeah.
Was this the best thing in the world you ever did
Yes.
on your trip?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm glad you said that, because my friend Pete's standing here looking at you that way and hoping you would say that this is the funnest thing. Don't get your hat dirty, okay, bro?
Okay.
Okay, you don't have your hat on, Dustin. What's going on here? We got beautiful hats. Everybody's got a beautiful hat except my friend Pete.
I'm telling you.
Okay, there you go. All right. We're going to get a couple pictures, okay, bud?
Okay.
Okay. We'll see you later. This is Pete, my friend Pete, your friend Pete. If you're out in Moab, Utah, and you happen to watch my videos, come on out, and we might give you a ride
Yeah.
in the Baja.
Yeah.
Oh, am I right?
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. There you go. Thumbs up right there. Check. Okay. There. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Well, by God, son of a biscuit, that was a heck of a situation. That little boy just loved that razor ride, that Polaris razor ride. If Sammy Salami was here, Sammy would have gave him a ride, and he would have had a hell of a better time than what my friend Pete did. But it was all so beautiful to have the baby child here and his daddy. They got a Sammy Salami hat straight out of Miami, my ass. But they got one. This is Sammy Salami. We're going to go ahead and sign it out. And we're going to wish the best for them two jockeys and hope to hell that the horses they ride are the horses that are going to take them home. Just like I want to go home back to Miami. I got to get the hell out of here. Sammy Salami straight out of Miami telling you to get your shit straight and do the job you're supposed to do, you son of a biscuit, son of a bastard child, baby. Yeah, that's right. Sam Salami. I love my hat. I love it. It's a beautiful hat. Only if everybody else thought that it was beautiful. It's never about me or my hat, is it? I gotta go, people. Sammy Salami right here, doing what I gotta do. And I'm doing this right here. I'm saying goodbye to you.